the Strauss Wagner TW401 earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the Strauss Wagner TW401 earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, USB-C cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The TW401 features 4 hours of listening time, 16 hours with the case. It takes 1 hour to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 5.0 and the Realtek chipset, 6mm drivers, and USB-C for charging. There is no IPX rating specified. The case has a small capsule profile to it. It has a matte finish and a grippy feel all around. On the bottom and the top you have the branding and logo. On the front of the case you have the status LED light, and on the back you have the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are secured into place by magnets and are easy to remove from the case. The earbuds are plastic all around and it has an ergonomic shape to it, with a matte finish. The outer face has the branding along with a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have charging contacts, interchangeable ear tips, microphone, LED, and touch controls. Here they are side by side. The controls are straightforward and they include volume as well. It's a matter of tapping a few times or holding to navigate. The case comes in at 2.6 by 1.5 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 31 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting close.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Strauss Wagner TW401 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. You can use the earbuds independently, left or right side, and the pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Strauss Wagner TW401. The earbuds were comfortable and it seated nicely in my ears. I like the ergonomic shape to them, as it feels like it's just molded into your ears. It created a nice secure fit and seal, and they had no issues staying into place. Touch controls didn't add pressure when navigating. Build-in quality is good. The case has a compact and simplistic design to it. They feel durable along with the earbuds, and both are easy to grip. Touch controls are responsive and I had no issues with them. The battery life does come in on the low end at 4 hours, and I wish it was at least double that. I like the fact that it has USB-C for charging. There is no mention of an IPX rating, so I would not get them overly exposed to the elements. When it comes to sound, these surprise me with the bass. The bass is definitely pronounced and it's not lacking. It comes in heavy and deep, so this will sure please the bass heads. Mids and highs come in clear, but in my opinion it's a bit recessed. I wish they were a bit more forward, and at times I feel the bass does overwhelm. You may have also picked up some of the details in the sound sample. Overall, they are a decent pair. It does come in at a crowded market with its price point. I do like the overall design as it's compact and easy to carry around, and the sound is definitely on the warm side if that's what you're seeking. So that is my review of the Strauss Wagner TW401 earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.